Co-intelligence is the idea that you can combine your intelligence with a machine to gain a better outcome. But most people don't know how to use AI correctly. Using AI the wrong way can be dangerous. For workers, it can be career-ending. For students, it can end in failed subjects. For everyone, it can lower your intelligence. But if used correctly, can lead to efficiency gains. To use AI successfully, you need to understand co-intelligence. 90% of your AI usage should follow the AI cognitive structure. I call this CAC Co-intelligence. You do that to protect yourself and stay ahead of the curve. Let me explain why. Consider 3 metrics: speed to complete the task quickly, risk in ensuring that the output is correct and as expected, and learning and retention to be able to remember what we did when we're speaking to a client or to our senior manager. If we use our mind only, it's the safest approach, assuming you have the experience and skill, and it's the best way to retain the outcome, but it is a slow process. If we use AI only, we will get to the outcome quickly, but will it serve its purpose and be correct? This has ended careers. You would also struggle to remember the output if you needed to discuss it later. This is why we apply co-intelligence. The next possible approach is to use our mind to undertake the foundational work and polish the outcome with AI. This increases the speed to output, helps with retention, but the output still needs checking. If we use AI first, especially if we are not experts, we can gain some great insights. We can then lower the risk by applying our mind. We need to apply critical thinking skills and connect to traditional sources to ensure the output is as it should be. But you would still find it somewhat difficult to retain the information. The final option and the best application is to undertake the foundational work with our mind, polish it with AI, and then correct and confirm the final output. This balanced approach is the best application of co-intelligence. Therefore, the final judgment on quality must always come from the human. The human must always be in control. Think of AI as your teammate, a teammate that you can't always trust, but can be of great value if used correctly. Your brain is a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. Don't risk short-term gain for long-term pain. It's not worth it. I'm Dr. Sasha Nikolic. Thank you for watching.